that you're innocent, they stay and focus on what they know was right from day one.
Outraged by the horrific crime, author Barbara Davis attended the trial as research for her book about the case, Precious Angels. She claimed that without a doubt, Darlie Routier was guilty of savagely murdering her 2 young sons.
I believe Darlie was guilty because I stayed at the trial for 5 weeks and attended every day and watched the evidence that was presented to the jury. And they convinced me beyond any doubt that she was guilty.
Diesel! 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 Wait a minute. Diesel.
They were all entered into evidence, but there were maybe 6 or 7 that were posted on board in the courtroom.
Sit. Sit.
In a moment
Nope.
that remains one
Sit.
of the most dramatic
Sit.
of life,
Sit.
Ms.
hold
Davis
it?
realized that these photographs put
Oh,
a
I get
whole
it.
other spin on the Routier case.
Wait.
I had
Pa.
moments of eureka when I saw
Pa.
evidence after evidence that had not been presented in the trial.
Give me.
After carefully
That was our
studying
dog.
the police photographs
Yeah.
taken